This tutorial will help you build a campaign by guiding you through selecting writing profiles, categories, and topics. You'll learn how to align your content choices with your overall strategy to create effective campaigns. From your dashboard, click Start Campaign to begin. This kicks off the campaign setup process, where you'll make a few key decisions that shape all the content you're about to create, starting with your writing profile. Start by selecting your writing profile from the drop-down. Your writing profile is the foundation of your campaign. It defines the tone, style, and audience for all the content you create. If you're an agency or manage multiple brands, you'll have multiple profiles to choose from, so make sure to select the one that matches the client or project you're building this campaign for. Once you have your profile selected, you're going to load your categories, which are pulled directly from your WordPress website, as long as you connected your WordPress site in the profile setup. These categories come directly from your WordPress site, giving you a real-time view of how your content is structured. This connection is what makes campaign planning fast and accurate. Now choose the category you want to write in. Click the category that makes the most sense for your next batch of content, based on what your site needs most right now. The post count shown next to each category is a helpful signal. Categories with fewer posts may need more attention to build out your content library. It's important that when you're writing articles, you're following a content strategy that fits into a focused group of categories, not writing randomly across unrelated topics. Staying within your defined categories builds topical authority over time. Search engines reward sites that consistently publish within focused subject areas, so this consistency directly impacts your rankings. With your category locked in, you're ready for the next step, selecting the specific topic you'll write about within that category. Click Discover Trending Topics. This pulls real search data to help you find what people are actively looking for within your chosen category. While each step runs, keep an eye on the progress timer. It shows you which step is currently in progress and displays the average remaining time, so you always know how far along you are and roughly how long is left. Now browse through the trending topics and choose one to write about. Aim for a topic that fills a gap in your category, something you haven't covered yet, while still connecting clearly to your brand and the audience you serve. Picking topics this way keeps each new article fresh and builds real topical depth over time, which strengthens your authority and improves your chances of ranking across a wider range of searches. If a topic doesn't connect to what your brand stands for, it can dilute your message. Staying on brand builds trust and keeps your audience engaged with content that feels consistent. Once you've found a topic that fits your category and aligns with your brand, select it. This locks in the topic for your campaign. You've now completed step 1 of building your campaign, selecting your writing profile, category, and topic. Each choice you make here shapes everything that gets created next, so take a moment to confirm it all feels right before moving forward. Selecting the topic will automatically transition you to the next step, keyword research. You've selected your writing profile, loaded your WordPress categories, and chosen a topic that aligns with your content strategy and brand. With that foundation in place, you're ready to move on to keyword research and start creating targeted content with confidence.